So this lesson is on exponential functions. The first thing that you need to know is that it is exponential decay if the base is between 0 and 1. So this is 1/2. 1/2 is in between 0 and 1. So this is decay. And decay means it goes down. Exponential growth will be if your base is above 1. So like this is 2 to the x, and growth is always going to go up. So let's look. Let's figure out if these are growth or decay. So number 1, that's a 1/5. 1/5 is in between 0 and 1, so that means it is decay. Number 2, it's a 4. 4 is bigger than 1, so that means it's going to be growth. 1.2 is above 1. It's bigger than 1, so that's another growth. 0.7 is in between 0 and 1, so that is a decay. 3 is bigger than 1, so that's a growth. And 4/3 is bigger than 1, so it is another growth. That's how you figure out if it's going to be growth or decay. It also says state what the beginning number is and what the base is. Base is the number in the parentheses. So like this base was 1/5, this base was 4, this base was 1.2. I'll put a B. This is your base, this is your base, this is your base. This base is 0.7, this base is 3, this base is 4/3. The beginning number is the number in the very front. So I will circle those in blue. So this beginning number is 7, this beginning number is 3. If there's no number there, it's a 1. That beginning number is 1. This is another 1. This is a 1/2, and that is a 10. So those are your beginning numbers. We're not going to graph them, so let's not do these. All right, this we also need to go through, how to solve them. You can only solve them if your bases are the same. So here's how you're going to do this. We want a base of 3. Your smaller number is what you want your base to be. So I want to figure out 3 to what will be 81. And then you just start trying stuff. Let's try 3 to the 4th. And that's right. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to rewrite this side, 2n plus 1. And this 81 is really 3 to the 4th. Okay? When you get the bases to be the same, you can cancel them out. So those 3's cancel. And then you have 2n plus 1 equals 4. And we're just going to solve that. So we would subtract 1, and 2n equals 3. Divide by 2, and n is 3/2. Let's do another one. I want to get the same base. I cannot do 4. There's nothing, 4 to nothing will give me 8. But I can make them both 2's, right? Because 4 is really 2 to the 2nd. And 8 is really 2 to the 3rd. And then we're going to bring down the exponents that were already there. So this 4 had a 2x, and this 8 had an x minus 1. So again, here's how I did it. I said 2 to the 2nd is 4, and I said 2 to the 3rd is 8. And then I brought down that 2x, and I brought down that x minus 1. So now I have a common base of 2, so I can mark out where's 2. So I have 2 times 2x equals 3 times x minus 1. And we're going to solve it. 2 times 2x is 4x. And we're going to distribute. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 1 is 3. I'm going to move this 3x over here by subtracting it. 4 minus 3 is just x, is -3. All right, another one. I'm not sure. Let's try some 4. Let's try 4 to the 3rd. Nope. Let's try 4 to the 4th. Yep, I got 256. So I know 256 is 4 to the 4th. And over here I have 4 to the 9n minus 2. I have like bases now, so I can mark out my 4s. So I have 9n minus 2 equals 4. Add 2. 9n equals 6. Divide by 9. And that will reduce to 2/3. All right, my common base is going to be a 3. So I have 3 to the 5x. And then under 9 is 3 to the 2nd. 3 squared is 9. So now I also have to bring down that 2x minus 1. So I can mark out my 3's. So I have 5x equals I'm going to go ahead and do this distribution. 4x minus 2. Move my 4x over. So x equals negative 2. You will have some, let me make one up. Let's do 2 to the 4x equals 1 over 4. Let's do this one because you will have some fractions. If it's a fraction, it means you're going to have a negative exponent. So I got 2 to the 4x. And let me show you how we figure that out. We really just want the denominator. And 2 to the second is 4. So watch what happens when I do 2 to the negative second. And then turn it to a fraction. Math, enter. I get 1/4. So this side would be 2 to the negative second. Let me do another one. What if I had 3 to the 6x equals 1 over 81? And I want to make those the same. Well, my base is going to be a 3. And then over here to get 81, 81 is really 3 to the 4th. But because it's a fraction, it's going to be negative. So this side would be 3 to the negative 4th. So when we set up our equation, you would say 6x equals negative 4, and then solve that out. Okay? So if you will go try worksheet 4.1 and let me know if you need help.